Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's identify the tools you'll need for this repair: a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you also have a static-free workspace to avoid damaging your components. Start by powering off your Lenovo Legion laptop completely and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it, as this ensures safety during the repair. Next, open the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the corners of the laptop. You'll typically find a combination of Phillips screws, so keep them organized as you remove them. Use your plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips that hold it in place. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. To diagnose the display issue, check the connections of the display cable. This cable can sometimes become loose, leading to display problems. Gently disconnect it and reconnect it to ensure a secure fit. If you notice any dust or debris around the connectors, use your microfiber cloth to clean the area gently. A clean connection can significantly improve performance. If the display still isn't working after reconnecting the cable, check for physical damage to the screen. Look for cracks or any signs of damage that could indicate a need for screen replacement. If you're unsure about the condition of your components, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can give you peace of mind before deciding on further repairs. After inspecting the display cable and screen, if everything seems intact, it's time to look at the graphics drivers. Boot up your laptop and access the BIOS settings by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or DEL. Check if the display is functioning in BIOS mode. If it displays correctly here, the issue may be software related. In Windows, navigate to Device Manager and expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics driver and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to ensure you have the latest drivers installed. If the problem persists, consider rolling back to a previous driver version if the issue started after an update. For those who prefer to avoid the hassle, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your laptop serviced without the need for calls or travel. Simply schedule a pickup, and we'll handle the rest. If your display is still malfunctioning after trying these steps, it may require a professional repair or replacement. Before proceeding, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved up front. Once you've resolved the issue, reassemble your laptop by reversing the steps taken. Replace the back panel and ensure all screws are tightened evenly. Finally, power on your laptop and check if the display is functioning correctly. You've now completed a thorough troubleshooting and repair process for your Lenovo Legion laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.